Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear students of Al-Majd School, grade 6, welcome back again. This is unit 3, My School is Cool. This is page 18. This is page 18 at your students' book. So today we are gonna talk about a new unit and a new lesson, unit 3, lesson number 1, My School is Cool. Finding out time. Finding out time. Listen and practice. استمع وتدرب. Look at picture number 1 here. One student said, what's the name of your school? If I ask you this question, what's the name of your school? You can say Al-Majd School. What's the name of your school? You can say Al-Majd School. Again, what's the name of your school? Little clock. What's the name of your school? Little Rock Elementary School. Bedrock Elementary School. You can say Al-Majd School. If I ask you a question, what's the name of your school? You can say Al-Majd School. He said here, Little Rock Elementary School, Bedrock Elementary School. Picture number 2. How many students are there in your school? He asking about the number of school. How many students are there in your school? About 1,500, 100, I don't know. How many students كم عدد الطلاب in your school? You can say 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 and so on. Picture number 3 here. Do you have a school lunch at your school? Yes, we do. Every day. No, we don't. We bring our own. He said here, do you have a school lunch at your school? يعني في المدرسة عندكم يقدموا لكم وجبات؟ يمديك تقول yes, we do every day. And you can say no, we don't. We bring our own. أنا بجيب حاجتي من بيتي, okay? Number 4. Does your school have a school bus? Does your school have a school bus? Do you have a school bus here? Yes, it does. It has a big yellow bus. If don't, you can say, no, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. But in Al-Majd School, we already have school bus. Picture number 5. Do you have a school uniform? This is uniform. This is uniform, okay? So, do you have a school uniform زي مدرسي? Yes, we do. لو ما كانش تقول no, we don't. No, we don't. It means we don't have a school uniform. Number 6. What time does your school start? What time does your school start? You can say it starts at 7 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7:30, 8 or 8:30. متى تبدأ المدرسة? It starts at 7, 7:30, 8 or 8:30 o'clock. Okay. A challenge, time, وقت التحدي. My school. In this passage, each one is gonna to talk about his own school. Can you fill in the blanks here? Can you write here a word to fill the blanks and then talk about your school? يمديك تملى هذه الاستمارة وهذه الفراغات متحدثا عن مدرستك? Of course I can. Of course I can. For example, hi, let me introduce my school. The name of my school is Al-Majd. You can say here Al-Majd. Al-Majd. Let me change it in English. Al-Majd. Al-Majd Private School. Al-Majd Private School. So, what is the first one? The name of my school is Al-Majd. The name of my school is Al-Majd. Let me change the color now into blue color, for example, like this. There are about, you can say 3,000, for example, 3,000 students in my school. You can say There are about 3,000 students in my school. We school lunch at our school. You can say we have لدينا. We have school lunch at our school. Our school bus. So our school has school bus. لديها باصات. We a school uniform. We have school uniform. We have a school uniform. Our school starts at, you can say at 7 o'clock. At 7 o'clock, like this. Here we complete the file about our school here. Hi, let me introduce my school. The name of my school is Al Majd School. There are about 3,000 students in my school. We have school lunch at our school. Our school has a school pass. We have a school uniform. Our school starts at 7. It's easy now. This is page 88, exercise number 2, write about your school. My English teacher is Mr. You can write my name, of course, Mr. Shahada. Okay. The best place in our school is it the classroom, the pool, the schoolyard, the library? If you ask me, I'm gonna say the library. The library. The library is the best place for me. You can write the schoolyard, the hall, the classroom, and so on. Art room. My best friend at school, you can say, is Fahad, for example. You can write the name of your friend. I write here Fahad. You can change it if you want, okay? My favorite school subject is English. I'm gonna write English. You can write math, you can write Arabic, you can science, whatever you want. I here write English. My favorite school subject in English is English. Okay, now it's easy. Exercise number 3, 3 hints or a quiz. Hint number 1, this is a person. He or she works in a school. He or she teaches students. So who is he? He's a teacher. He's a teacher. So you can see a teacher. We're talking here about the teacher, or the hint here is about the teacher. The first exercise here, read and match A with B. So we have some questions here on the left, column A, the answer, column B. So try to read the question and find the answer. Hurry up. Let's start. What's the name of your school? At 7:30, yes, it is. Yes, it does. Al Majd School, D. So number 1, I'm gonna write D here. Okay, so D is suitable for number 1. How many students are there in your school? You can say about 3,000. This is answer E. So I'm gonna say here, question 2, suit answer E. Number 3, do you have school lunch at your school? You can say, yes, it is. Yes, it does. Yes, we do. Of course, yes, we do. So this is F here. Number 4, does your school have a school pass? Yes, it does. So C, the right answer here is C. Okay, we finished answers. Question number 2, choose the correct answer. What name of your school? What is the right answer here? Can you tell me? Yeah. What is, of course, what is the name of your school? Number 2, how many students there? Students is the plural. هذا كلمة plural students جمع. am ولا is ولا are. طبعا راح اختار معها are علشان students جمع. Do you have a school lunch at your school? Yes, we don't. We do. You do. Of course, we do. Does your school have a school bus? Yes, it is. It doesn't. It does. Yes, it does. Do you have a school uniform? No, we don't. We do. You do. No, we don't. Because it started the answer here with no. What time your school start? What time is? What time do? What time does your school? Of course, the right answer here is does. What time does your school start? It's easy now. Okay, my dear students, at the end of my lesson, thank you very much. Until we meet again, goodbye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.